The South Carolina Lowcountry, a land where time slows down and every breeze carries a story. From its moss-draped oaks to sunlit marshes and quiet coastal towns, this region feels like a painting brought to life. Today, I'm taking you on a breathtaking aerial journey across the Lowcountry, flying over charming seaside towns, barrier islands, and historic landscapes that define southern beauty. Where are you watching from today? I'd love to know where you're joining this journey from. Drop it in the comments below. 1. Charleston. Our journey begins in Charleston, the heart and soul of the Lowcountry. Known for its pastel-colored homes, cobblestone streets, and horse-drawn carriages, Charleston is a living museum of Southern history. Its waterfront views and colonial charm make it one of the most photographed cities in America. 2. Folly Beach. Just 20 minutes from Charleston lies Folly Beach, a laid-back coastal escape where surfers chase waves and sunsets paint the sky. The Folly Beach Pier stretches far into the Atlantic, offering the perfect spot to feel the ocean breeze and watch pelicans glide above the waves. 3. Kiawah Island. Kiawah Island is a blend of wild beauty and quiet luxury. It's known for its pristine beaches, world-class golf courses, and protected wetlands where dolphins and sea turtles thrive. The island feels untouched, with winding roads shaded by live oaks and Spanish moss that sway in the coastal wind. 4. Beaufort. Next up is Beaufort. One of America's most charming small towns. With its antebellum mansions, shaded streets, and riverside views, it's easy to see why Hollywood often films here. Movies like Forrest Gump and The Prince of Tides captured the beauty that locals see every day. Have you ever visited a small town that completely stole your heart? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious which one it was. 5. Hilton Head Island. Hilton Head Island is where relaxation meets adventure. Famous for its long sandy beaches, bike trails, and the iconic Harbour Town Lighthouse, this island attracts visitors from around the world. From kayaking through calm waterways to exploring local seafood spots, every corner of Hilton Head feels alive with southern spirit. Six, Edisto Island. Edisto Island is a peaceful escape for those who love untouched nature. It's one of the few remaining barrier islands that hasn't been overdeveloped, preserving its marshes, dunes, and wildlife. The Edisto Beach State Park is perfect for birdwatching, shell hunting, and quiet coastal walks. 7. Hunting Island State Park. A little farther down the coast lies Hunting Island State Park, one of South Carolina's most visited state parks. Its historic lighthouse rises above 5,000 acres of sandy beach and maritime forest. The view from the top is unforgettable. Especially at sunrise, when the horizon turns golden. If you could spend one day anywhere in the Lowcountry, where would you choose? The beach, the town, or the marsh? Comment your pick. I'd love to see which one wins. Eight, Bluffton. Bluffton sits along the May River and captures the true spirit of small-town Lowcountry life. Its Old Town district is filled with art galleries, cozy cafes, and friendly faces. The May River itself is perfect for paddleboarding or watching dolphins swim by as the sun sets over the water. 9. Beaufort Island. Only accessible by boat, Beaufort Island feels like stepping back in time. There are no bridges, no big resorts, just dirt roads, charming cottages, and Gullah culture preserved through generations. Visitors can explore by golf cart, visit local artisans, and enjoy the quiet rhythm of island life. 10. Seabrook Island. Seabrook Island is a private coastal paradise, known for its wide beaches and lush nature reserves. It's a haven for horseback riders who can actually ride along the beach as the waves roll in. The island is also home to incredible wildlife, from deer to nesting turtles. 11. Fripp Island. Fripp Island offers stunning ocean views and a slower pace of life. Known for its peaceful atmosphere, it's a favorite spot for families and photographers. The island's tidal creeks, marshes, and dramatic sunsets make it one of the most scenic stops in the Lowcountry. Have you ever seen a sunset that just stopped you in your tracks? Tell me where it happened. I love hearing about moments like that. 12. Port Royal. Our journey ends in Port Royal, a small coastal town with a big heart. Its wooden boardwalks stretch into calm tidal waters, and its charming downtown feels frozen in time. It's also home to the Sands Beach, where you can walk out onto the pier and watch dolphins swim at dusk. The South Carolina Lowcountry isn't just a place, it's a feeling. It's the whisper of the ocean breeze, the warmth of a sunset on your skin, and the quiet charm of towns that welcome you like an old friend. If you've enjoyed this aerial journey, make sure to subscribe and join me for more adventures across the world's most beautiful places. Your next journey might just be one click away. And before you go, which lowcountry spot would you love to visit first? Comment below. I'm reading them all.